Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable dark mode on Huawei P60 Pro phone and where to find it. The easiest way to do it is just a simple swipe from the top on the right side of the screen. And we have our shortcuts here. One of the options is dark mode, of course. Let's tap it to enable it. And dark mode is now activated. Our menus are darker. And to turn it off, we simply do this all in reverse. Swipe from the top right, dark mode. Tap once to disable, and our menu is now back to being bright and white. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.